Zebra's in the puppy room. That's Giblet. She wants to come out too. I know. She's sad. This is little Zebra. He's sitting on my lap right now. Yeah, getting petted. He's a very sweet boy. I know. Are you sad, Mama? Here, let's go over to see her. Want to go see her? Come see her. They like each other. And they, oh, you're so stressed, Mama. This is Zebra. Hi. Give his face for some. Oh, good boy. I don't know if you guys can see. He's so cute. What are you doing, mister? It's hard because he's right here. Come here, Bubba. Come here. Come up. You can see he's a little bit nervous about being picked up, but he's totally, I mean, he's not trying to, he just gets nervous about it. Yeah. My hand's under, like you can just see he's nervous, but he's good. He's letting me lift him up. Good boy. Just to go slow with him. Oh. My buddy. You can kind of see him on my lap. Such a good boy. Very sweet. Just a quiet little man. I know, Giblet. Hold on, Mama. She wants to come say hi to him. Who's handsome? Who doesn't want to say hi to you?